Hello friends, my name is Sushma Singh. I'm founder of Dream Design Your Life, certified life coach and a author. So today I'll be talking to you about how to overcome your weaknesses. See, as a human being, we all have our fair share of strength and weaknesses. It's a complete package. There is no person in this world who is perfect. Do you know anyone? I'm very sure there is no one. There's no one in this world who is perfect. We all have some space of improvement, and this is what we require to grow in life. See, there are few peoples who emphasize much more on their weakness, and then they criticize themselves, they beat themselves up for having that weakness. But my point is, if you will do that, you will be doing injustice to your strength, the strength that you have been given, and that can actually help you overcome those weaknesses. So today I'll be giving you two steps to overcome your weakness. So the first one is recognize what your weaknesses are. So to do that, take a paper or your journal, make two columns. In the first column, write down all your weaknesses. In the second column, write down all your strength. After you have finished writing down both of them completely, then see which is that weakness that needs to be worked on from today itself. So to do that, see which weakness is holding you back, it's not allowing you to grow, and it's affecting your life today or your coming future life. So take that first weakness that will be your priority, that you have to work on. Then simultaneously look for your strengths. I'm very sure that there would be certain strength that would help you to overcome those weaknesses. So to give you an example, if my weakness is that I procrastinate a lot, and but one of my strength is that I always keep my commitment, so I can use this strength to overcome my habit of procrastination. So similarly, see your weaknesses, and I'm very sure that you must be having some strength that you can utilize to overcome those weaknesses. Then step 2 is that do it anyway, feel confident, even if your weakness is so strong that it holds you back, it doesn't allow you to do anything. For example, one of my friend, he has this massive fear of public speaking, but then because of that he loses so much of opportunity of growth in his life, because he doesn't go into social circles, and it's affecting his personal life as well as professional life also. So what I advised him was, go to that circle. It will be difficult, firstly you will feel very inconfident, and you will not enjoy all that process, but then slowly if you will start doing it, ultimately you will like it. So even I had this problem of networking, like networking was something that I always really hated it, but then my profession, it requires, if I have to grow, I have to do networking. So earlier I used to avoid going to networking events and meeting new different people, but then now I do that comfortably, because I overcame my fear by facing it head on. Like I push myself to go to those events. Earlier I didn't like it, it was difficult for me, but then slowly when I remained consistent and started participating, and then now I enjoy it, because I can see the massive benefit it has given me in improving my business. So likewise, whatever weakness you have, you must work on it. There is the time that we take in justifying our weaknesses, if we utilize that same time in overcoming our weakness, I'm very sure that there is no weakness in this world that cannot be overcome. So this is what I wanted to make a point in this video. And our successful people, they also have weaknesses, but then what makes them different from ordinary people is that they they work on their weakness, they face it head on, and then ultimately they conquer it. And we all have this power, it's just that we need to recognize it, we need to work on it, we should be willing to do that. We should make it a point that if I have to grow in life, I must overcome my weaknesses. So I hope this video had been beneficial for you, and if you think that there should be a few more points, or if you resonate with it, please comment below. And if you feel that it's gonna benefit others, please do share it. Thank you so much for listening. Thank you. Bye bye.